Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about AI files and how to use them in 2023. AI files are a new type of file that is becoming increasingly popular, and they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. What is an AI file? An AI file is a file that contains artificial intelligence data. This data can be used to train AI models or to power AI applications. AI files can be used in a variety of ways, including training AI models. AI models can be trained on AI files to learn new skills and improve their performance. Powering AI applications. AI files can be used to power AI applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and image recognition systems. Creating new content. AI files can be used to create new content, such as images, videos, and music. How to use AI files. There are a few different ways to use AI files. The most common way is to use them to train AI models. To do this, you would need to upload the AI file to a cloud-based AI platform, such as Google AI Platform or Amazon SageMaker. Once the file is uploaded, you can use the platform to train an AI model on the data. Once the model is trained, you can use it to power AI applications or to create new content. For example, you could use a trained model to create a virtual assistant that can answer your questions and help you with your tasks. Or you could use a trained model to create a chatbot that can engage in conversations with your customers. How to get AI files. There are a few different ways to get AI files. One way is to create them yourself. To do this, you would need to collect data and then use a tool to convert the data into an AI file. Another way to get AI files is to download them from the internet. There are a number of websites that offer free and paid AI files. AI files are a powerful tool that can be used to train AI models, power AI applications, and create new content. In this video, I've given you a brief overview of what AI files are and how to use them. If you're interested in learning more about AI files, there are a number of resources available online. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.